Welcome to this guide on common issues with Venmo notifications. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money. However, some users experience issues with notifications, which can be frustrating and disrupt the payment process. First, let's understand how Venmo notifications work. When you send or receive money, Venmo sends a notification to your phone or email to inform you of the transaction. These notifications are essential to keep you updated on your account activity. One common issue with Venmo notifications is delayed or missing notifications. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, including a poor internet connection, outdated app version, or incorrect notification settings. To resolve this issue, ensure your internet connection is stable, update the Venmo app to the latest version, and check your notification settings to ensure they are enabled. Another issue is duplicate notifications. This can occur when Venmo sends multiple notifications for the same transaction. To fix this, try restarting the Venmo app, clearing the app cache, or contacting Venmo support. Some users also experience issues with notification sounds or vibrations. If you are not receiving notification sounds or vibrations, check your phone settings to ensure that notifications are enabled for the Venmo app. You can also adjust the notification settings within the Venmo app to customize the sound or vibration. In addition, some users may not be receiving notifications due to their phone's Do Not Disturb mode or notification filters. Check your phone settings to ensure that Venmo notifications are allowed during Do Not Disturb mode, or that the notifications are not being filtered out. To avoid issues with Venmo notifications, it's essential to keep the Venmo app up to date. Regularly check your notification settings, and ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also customize your notification settings to receive notifications only for specific types of transactions. In conclusion, common issues with Venmo notifications can be resolved by checking your internet connection, updating the app, and adjusting your notification settings. By following these best practices, you can ensure you receive timely and accurate notifications for your Venmo transactions.